of telophase are A. Chromosomes cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost as discrete elements. B. Nuclear envelope assembles around the chromosome cluster. C. Nucleolus. Right. Furrow formation does not occur in plant cell during cytokinesis because of A. Extensible cell wall. B. Unextensible cell wall. Right. Select the total number of correct statement. I. Cell plate formation occurs in plant cell during cytokinesis. 2. During cytokinesis, mitochondria and plastid gets distributed between two daughter cells in mitosis. 3. Liquid endosperm in coconut is syncytium. IV. Furrow formation occurs in animal cell during cytokinesis. Right. Cell which divides by mitosis is A. Upper layer of epidermis. B. Cells lining gut. C. Stem cells. Right. Plant shows continuous growth throughout their life because of A. Mitosis. Right. Mitosis helps A. Growth. B. Repair. C. Right. Which of the following holds true about meiosis? I. It ensures the production of haploid phase in the life cycle of sexually reproducing organism where fertilization restores the diploid phase. 2. It involves the two-sequential cycle of nuclear and cell division called meiosis I&II but only a single cycle of DNA replication. 3. It involves the pairing of homologous chromosomes and recombination between them. IV. 4 haploid cells are formed at the end of Right. Prophase I is divided into how many phases? Right. Synaptomal complex forms in A. Zygotine. Right. Select the correct statement from the following. A. In leptotent stage the chromosomes become gradually visible under light. Right. Recombination is seen in A. Diplotene. B. Zygotine or synaptoten. C. Pachytene. Right. Synaptomal complex is visible in A. Compound microscope. B. Simple microscope. C. Hand lens. D. Electron microscope. Right.